जागतिक पर्यटन दिसा निमतान गोंय महिला फोरमान रस्त्यार येवन निदर्शनां काढली। शिंदळकी व्यवसायाच्यो वेबसायटी बंद करून गोंय राज्याची फामील पर्यटन स्थळ म्हणून जाहिरात करपाची गरज आसा अशें गोंय महिला फोरमान मागला। RTX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Today, 27 September, is World Tourism Day, and we are here again 1 week later to protest about the escort websites that have still not been closed down, which was our demand since the beginning of September. We have been asking the government to shut down. We started with the collectors, then the SPs, then we have gone to India Tourism, and today we have come to Tourism Department, especially as it's Tourism Day, and we want them to take a very strong stand to say that they will remove these websites and promote Goa as a family tourism destination and not as a sex destination. We have come across now even travel and tour managers who have contacted us and saying that whatever you are demanding is right, and we will also join you, because whenever we get bookings, that is the first questions we are getting from the tourists is where will we find girls and are you able to provide girls. So we are now very distressed that soon again we will not be, as housewives, we will not be able to walk on the roads if this is not taken care of, because they are promoting college girls, Goa University students, housewives, and even girls available from the Basilica of Bom Jesus. So this is getting a bit too much, and we are demanding that these websites be removed immediately. We had also asked different colleges and even citizens to, on their social media, to protest about it and start petitions and send it to the tourism department. We have widely publicized this petition route that we need to take. SP, and we have filed with South Goa SP, and even the collectors have written to the SPs also to take whatever preventive action that needs to be taken. But after that, we have not heard anything. So from now, we have written a memorandum to the Director of Tourism. We have marked copy to the Chief Secretary, who is also the Principal Secretary of Tourism. We have not yet marked a copy to the Minister, but further we will go to the Minister, and then our next course of action will be Chief Minister after that.
चलेगा सेक्स टूरिज्म नहीं चलेगा बंद करा रे बंद करा सेक्स टूरिज्म